Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how we use the account to post to the communities using MKT X software. First, in the main interface of MKT X, click on posting functions and we choose a post community post. First, we choose the account category that we want to post and we choose the account that we want to use for posting. With the general configurations, the spacing between two actions usually we set from 15 to 20 seconds and switch account on consecutive error we set it to 10 times. With the content configurations, we could choose like the content from available content with a general content config and we choose the content here and press save. Or you could choose like individual content config and we could set the content for each account by click here. We could also take the content from other account by enter the account ID that you want to take their content so that all the account in the software will take that account's content and post to the communities. And with the community configurations, we have two types. First is post by join community. It means all your account will post to the communities that the account have joined before. We will have a general config. That means choose random groups. We could have the specified config that we choose the group that we choose the group for each account, or we could post by specified communities. It means we enter the community links here, um, and with each account post from how many communities, it depends on your demand. For example, I want my account post into that two communities, so I set it to two, and with each community we will post one post only. And you could tick on no duplicate posts in communities if you want your account post in different communities. And we have another options that let the account automatically join the communities that the account didn't join before. After we set the configurations, please press start to begin running the posting functions in MKT X software. So that's how we use post community post in MKT X software. Hope you guys enjoy my video and see you in our next video. Goodbye.